We'll guide you through how to create a reverse video using CapCut. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the CapCut website on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're in, click on the Create New Project button to start a new editing session. You'll be prompted to upload your video file, so select the video you want to reverse from your computer. After your video is uploaded, drag it onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Next, click on the video clip in the timeline to ensure it's selected, then look for the Edit option in the toolbar above. When you click Edit, a set of tools will appear. Here, you'll find the Reverse button, which is what we need. Click on Reverse and let CapCut process the video. This might take a few moments depending on the length of your video, so be patient. Once the reversing process is complete, you can preview the effect by playing the video in the preview window. If you're happy with the reversed video, it's time to export it. Click on the Export button usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Choose your desired resolution and format, then click Export again to save the reversed video to your computer. And there you have it, a perfectly reversed video ready to be shared wherever you like. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.